there you go, aquatic sparks here. So I've managed to pump quite a bit of water out of here. So yeah, it's a lot better now. I really need to get a longer hose for my bilge pump, and also a non-return valve, so I can like basically pump it out of the water. But yeah, it's just horrible in here. I've just been putting this off for so long, and the weather's been absolutely shocking. And we've had loads of rain, and it's just filled up about a foot of water, maybe deeper actually, I don't know. But yeah, as regards with all the woodwork, it's just, yeah, it's just rotten now. So best to just rip it out, put a counter, full length counter here, put like an internal oven, possibly, like, you know, have a nice butcher's block worktop, possibly even put a log burner in, I don't know. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you think. Should I put a log burner in here? It'll have a diesel heater in here anyway, but just don't know, it might be nice to have a little log burner in here. And yeah, what I've been thinking of doing is extending the roof, building out a little bit, put some sliding doors in the back, and just, you got a bit more usable space. So, you know, if I end up using it for like a liverboard or selling it on as a liverboard, then you know, it's a little bit more usable for the typical British weather then. So yeah, let me know, guys. And yeah, so we'll go from there really. But yeah, it's Aquatic Sparks. If you like my videos and you want to see more, then please like and subscribe. And let's see what we can do to this absolute mess of a boat. It's once a beautiful boat, a Princess 32, in an absolutely shocking state now. So let's see if we can turn it around, make it look beautiful again, and get rid of all this bloody fungus as well. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Aquatic Sparks signing off. I'll be doing a bit on the bus shortly, and also my Quattro Turbo, my 86 Quattro Turbo, so I'll be doing a bit on that. So you know, now that the weather's a little bit nicer, be able to work, you know. So, and also doing a bit of work on the little Birchwood 22. You can just see the roof there basically. But yeah, anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Aquatic Sparks signing out for now. Cheers, bye guys.